Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today is Monday, February 28th. It's kind of hard today. I really don't see much in terms of, a move that might happen exactly at open. The one thing that I do see, though, is that price is moving up, right? And it's somewhat creating a bear flag that you can see right here. Now, this is something new that I've been adding to, my strategy, I guess. But it's something that I noticed I missed yesterday is the bull flags. So let me just go ahead and show you an example. Sorry, I'm still doing my 1 minute chart for my journals from Friday. But I noticed here we had somewhat of a small bull flag. If you go down to the smaller time frames. So we had obviously this bull flag here. Seen it pushing down as price was coming down. You seen it showing like lower lows and lower highs, right? But it was after 1,000 pip push to the upside, right? And then we seen price break above it, blah, 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 blah. So we see a bull flag here, and then we also see one here, right? Let me just go ahead and show you. Something like that. It's not the prettiest, right? But it's what I seen here was like somewhat of a bull flag being shown right here before price pushed up. So I'm trying to take into account what these do. And this one right here is considered a bear flag. So you could see prices moving up slowly but surely, but I think it could fall off, right? Especially at this level, we've seen a few rejections here. Even though it broke above it at this point, I think we could. But one thing is I'm not going to trade it just because I don't know if that's the right move. I don't have my confirmations for it. Like usually when I do have some confirmations, I need like 4 or 5. And one confirmation that I thought I seen was this rejection right here. We had already seen it done, and this is a previous ILC that it was kind of using as support. And then you could see a little breaker candle right here where a small break happened. But it looks like price is sitting on top of this ILC now. So this is just something I don't have a trade in. This is just something that I was looking at as I was looking at price this morning, is it was somewhat rejecting this area again. So well, you can see it's kind of fully engulfing it right here at this top ILC. I guess we could see what it does. You can see this small ILC right here is getting respected, right? Fully engulfed now. So I mean it looks good to fall off, but like if I take this trade, I probably wouldn't put anything big in there. But mainly what I see, shit, delete that. Mainly what I see is, right at open, the beginning of the week, we've seen a huge fall off, right? 300 pips, I think. 185 to 670. That was like 400 pips, right? So 400 pips. Sorry, I'm bad at math in the morning. Let's see here exactly. 500 pips in about 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, 15 minutes. So it just fell off sharply, right? And I guess we seen a break of structure, right, and broke these lows. But the one thing that I seen was that, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, right? So one thing that I possibly could see happen is a push up, just a small one. Maybe a break structure to the downside here, and we see something small like this. 42 pip stop loss. Maybe we take our profit here, build something, and we could see it do something like that, right? So that's one of the trades that I can possibly see happening. Another one is that we see price come up to this level again, right? Push up and then fall. But I mean, the way it's looking right here on the 15-minute, you could see that there's somewhat of a trend line being built. It does look like it wants to push up to the upside, right? It's the same sort of structure right here, so don't quote me. It could just reject and come down. But and you can see it's still rejecting that small area right here. Fully engulfed it, broke above, but it's not necessarily respecting this ILC. Let's just do something like that. And then we could do this one right here that is truly being respected. Purple, 79%, it's up there, right? So I can definitely see something like this. Well, I mean, it's already occurring, so it's not like... And this is more a breaker candle, right? Because we had like the higher high, higher low, higher high. Even though this is the 1 minute frame, you don't necessarily go off of this, but you could even see it's somewhat of a resistance to support too, right? Had a few rejections at this area. You know what? Let's get rid of this shit. And if you guys see anything, let me know. If you guys see some a little bit more obvious, something that we could use, let me know. I'm all for it. That's a clean rejection though. We got about 7.5 minutes left till open. See how that candle finishes. You see the 5 minute here. So yeah, it rejected the 5 minute pretty cleanly. 5 minute ILC. And I mean, this is what I'm seeing is this bear flag right here, right? Shooting up and then possibly just come down to our area. And you know, truthfully, this might be a better entry or a better trade in terms of risk to reward ratio than, you know, let's say we do 38 pip stop loss and we take this thing down to here. So, you know, other one was a 1 to 2.8, this one's a 1 to 3.8, risking a little bit less to make more, you know, on the position, get in and get out type of thing. So I like it. You can see the rejection there. Let's see if it comes back up and retest it at open, which is, you know, about 7 minutes away. So 6.5 minutes away. Yeah, I think this is something that we could take. So we'll see what the market gives us right now at open. If there is a trade to be taken, we'll take it. It shows us something. Now this is a new strategy that I'm kind of playing with right here with this bear flag, but it's something that I noticed I missed more than a few times with the bull flag. So I'm going to take it into account, and we just see what happens at this point. Not sure I'll take a big lot size in here, you know, just in case, but it's something to definitely look into, right? Because let's just do it this way: higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, fib drawn out, pushed up to the 79%, right? And rejected it, and now it's on its way down. So I'll be interested to see if it stays above here, bounces off this ILC here before making its way back up. I think what we have here as well, resistance, resistance, resistance. So let's see what it gives us right here. You ready to go? You ready to go?
No, thank you.
No, not yet.
I have.
All right, I love you.
Take care of me. Love you.
Drive safe.
Yo.
It's cracking, dog.
Just woke up?
Nah, I've been up. Fucking, just missed your call right here.
You ain't closing the gap?
I don't know. It's kind of, so I've been looking into these flags a little bit more, and I see a bear flag, you know, where it's kind of like creating these higher lows.
Yeah, I see the flag right now when I'm looking at it. You mentioned.
Yeah, like it's like an uptrend flag, but that's a bear flag, right?
Yeah, so that means it's coming down, but
And it's coming down. The areas that I have set up, I kind of, you know, did the ILCs and the breakers, and it's respecting the breaker candle, respected the 79% candle on the 1 minute. So I'm kind of thinking it comes down, but I want to see if it retests that 79% candle again before it does. So we'll see at open.
but what about that big ass gap? Doesn't it have to close them?
Maybe. I don't know. See, that's the weird thing. The gap is there on MetaTrader 4, but it's not there on TradingView.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's not there on TradingView.
Oh, okay. So where do you get the 79% at?
Here, let me see.
On SP4, what number?
Let me take a pic. Oh shit, that shit just flew up right now. Just rejected that candle again. So it's at shit, it just rejected it again. That's kind of the move I was looking for. It's at right here where it's at 14048.
Okay, I got you.
14048.
Okay, I got you. Staying off of this area right here.
Yeah, where it's at right now.
Alright, for sure then, dog. Well, we'll see you right now then.
Alright, for sure.
Alright.
Alright, later. Yeah, so I mean, we could possibly see this trade right here. I mean, it looks like a decent trade. Let's see if it gives us to it. I mean, I want to jump in, but it's a minute and a half before open, and I'm not sure I want to take that trade just quite yet, right? So, I mean, you could see the respects being shown, right? It's kind of rejecting this area here, broke above it, and the only reason I don't want to take this trade is just this first candle right here. I kind of wanted to see this at open, hit that, and then we could jump in and reject it. So we'll see what it does right here. You know, get your MT4 ready. And we'll see. We got about 45 seconds till open. See what the market gives us. I mean, the respect is being shown for sure, right? So about 10 seconds out. Yeah, not too sure, because the 5 minute candle is pretty engulfing into that area, but we'll see right now. I'm still not it. Well, that's why we didn't jump into that trade. But let's see what it gives us. It might come up to the. I'm not in this trade, so don't take it. It was just something I was looking at. This is where I want to see a possible rejection. Damn, missed it. Um, uh, damn. Looks like it might be out of there. Thinking about putting a little sal in and, this be my one and only trade. Okay, I put a little sal in right now, so we're in the trade. Yeah, it doesn't look so good. Let's see if it can finish strong to the downside. I'm only up about 2 pips right now. Oh no, 10 pips. 5 pips. Yeah, I don't think this is a good trade to take. I mean, I'm still in here, but I'm not sure. I mean, I guess we'll see. I'm not sure it's the best trade right now, though. I just like the area, right? We've already seen a few rejections here. And like right here. It's like it wants to come down, but it's not really coming down. Yeah, you see that? That's what I don't like. Yeah, I think this trade is not going to go our way. Just looks like it wants to push up. I'm going to go ahead and pull my position. I don't like it necessarily just because the 5 minute looks like it's a little engulfing. And even though this one is kind of showing some rejections, I just don't like the way it's moving to the upside. Oh. Oh, oh. Yeah, you see how it's staying up there? That's the problem right there for me, is it's staying up there. I want to see it come down. Yeah, you see that? That's just, it seems like people are putting in sells like we are, right? But the market knows that we're putting in sells, and it's just kind of moving up in an upward direction. That's basically what I'm seeing right now. Let's trust the trade. I'm not even, I'm only up. Yeah, this shit ain't going. Yeah, that thing's going up. Damn it. Yeah, definitely looks like it wants to go up now, but let's see. Oh shit. What a fake out. That shit almost got me. I mean, now it has to do its thing and shit's playing with me, Smokey. This is the dumbest trade I've ever been in. Ah, yeah, it's heading up. Damn it. Yeah, that thing's going up. Even though it's like rejecting the area, it's kind of like you can see these wicks at the bottom right here. Oh my god, don't tell me it's gonna go my way now. That is crazy, dog. The fuck is going on here? Oh shit. Let's see. I mean, I like to take it down to these areas right here. It's just a matter of how, when, what, right? That was the craziest movement right there, dog. No lie. I mean, if it pushes up off of this right here, I mean, at that point, it's kind of like, what the fuck? No way. So the one thing we need is, it looks like it's respecting it, but we need it to reject this level again. Kind of what it did, right? We just needed to reject that and come down. Now it could be using this level as respect, right? Let's see. See how it's rejecting that? We can't have that. We need it to come down full force. Damn, no way. See if it can go our way. That's really our only hope. Yeah, that's about right. 40 pips. Now we got to break through this 1 minute EMA, 50 EMA. If it doesn't break through this, then it looks like it's going to continue to push up. So Can't have it reject that. We needed to fuck that. Push through. Damn. No way. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to see right there. Yeah. That's just a continuation of what it's doing, which is pushing up to the upside. Because this is also the 5-minute 20 EMA. So that's a pretty big rejection right there, right? So I mean, at this point, it's kind of like, let's see. Damn. Just got stopped out. I was up 180. Moved my stop loss down too much. I didn't think it was going to push up like that, but it sure did. Damn, I moved my stop loss down way too low. Just entered some positions. This is my last trade of the day. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit, and we just go back to the drawing board. So, let's hopefully it breaks through this motherfucker right here. It has to blow through this shit though. If it doesn't, then it doesn't look like we're in business for a solid trade. Ah, it's rejecting that 5-minute 20 EMA, man. Again. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This 5-minute 20 EMA is being rejected completely, right? You can see it come down, tap it, push back up. It's done the same thing a few times now. And now it looks like it's pushing into my profit on this position, and now it looks like it's headed the opposite way. Yeah. 21 seconds. Let's see how this candle finishes, because this is the 5-minute candle. If it finishes engulfing, then it doesn't look good. Yeah, that doesn't look good at all. Damn. I was trusting this trade. I'm still in it, but let's just see what it gives us, man. It has to break through this shit again, which that's the next task, you know, break through it again. Can it break through it again? You see how it's using this 1-minute 50 EMA as a resistance, as a support level now? Yeah. Amen. Mm, it's not making it easy, but what I like is that it's rejecting our zone, right? It keeps tapping it, getting close to it, rejecting it. But if it stops me out at this point, I'm done for the day, so we'll see. That's what I want to see the last 5 seconds right there as it turned bearish. Now the 5 minute could finish one of two ways. It could finish up here, which if it does that, we're out of the trade because I think it's going to push up. Or it has to break through this level. It has to. If not, it's giving too much respect here and it's just going to continue to push up. Yeah, so there's a minute and 33 seconds left on this 5 minute candle, right? Minute and 30 seconds. So this is really a big move into what we're doing right here. Either it's going to reject it and come down, or it's just going to continue to push back up. Ah, fuck. Well, I think that's our answer right there. Yeah, that's our answer right there. Which is it's going to continue to push up. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. You know what I mean? We had a decent amount of pips, right? We caught about 60 pips at one point, but good morning, baby. Look at, don't tell me it's gonna do that shit again. That's crazy. Huh, baby? Yeah, you have school today. Huh? No way. Mm-hmm. You don't want to go to school? It was cold. I know we're all a little sick right now, baby. Mm-hmm. Talk to me.
One of my colleagues left her on the tray.
Not today, baby. Alright, I mean, we're still here. I'm still giving this trade a chance because I believe that, these rejections are one too many, right? Let's see if it can finish the way we want it to finish. Has to break through that 20 EMA though. Or 50 EMA right here. Here's the big one right here. Use this 20 EMA as a... guess not. Yeah, you know what? I'm in profit. I think what I'm going to do is just exit the trade. Just because I'm not getting anywhere with it. And obviously you can see what price is doing. It's just making its way up. Right? It looks like price wants to go ahead and push up to the upside. Just because that's what it's showing us, right? Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like. Yeah, now price looks like it's breaking through. So, just got stopped out. I lost, what, $65 for the day. It's not much, but breaking even, I was trying to catch this big trade to the upside, and obviously it's not doing that for us, right? It's obviously not doing that for us. So, at this point, we just say that, price is pushing up. I don't know to where exactly it's going, right? But, I think it's pushing up to the upside for sure. So at this point, it looks like the market's in a little bit of a fucked up region right now. Let me see this actually. So I thought this bear flag would work in our favor, but it didn't. It's just pushed up to the upside, right? So regardless, price is moving up. I guess maybe what it's doing is it's filling all this bullshit right here, all of this, and maybe it comes back down again once it gets up to this level, which is, possible. But I don't know. It wasn't clear enough for me to go ahead and trade it all the way, but I trusted that price was rejecting this zone up here and coming down, which it did. We were able to 60 pips out of it, but the one thing it wasn't doing was breaking past it. And I guess after what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 minutes of not breaking through it, it is what it is at that point, right? So, just take it for what it is. It looks like the market's going to push up, at least for now. Maybe it comes up to this level here and then falls, but we'll see. At this point, we just got to let it go. So I appreciate you guys for... No way did it break up. And now it's going to come down. It might. That's an inverted hammer right there. So, it's possible. That'd be crazy if it does. Wow. Yeah, market's just not moving today. Because you can see it's, at open, it essentially pushed up, went into consolidation, broke down, pushed up again, went into consolidation, pushed up. So I'm going to stay away from it. If you guys see anything different, go ahead and let me know. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. You guys have a good one, man. Thank you.